Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change name on the Google Authenticator app. First of all, I want to apologize for taking a video like this because Google Authenticator actually blocks sound screen recordings due to security issues, but we're going to make the best out of the situation. The first thing I want you to do is come here and open your Google Authenticator app. Now here you see the different apps I have, okay? And the codes are being displayed. Now, you just need to choose the account you want to rename. So let's say I want to rename this Instagram one, okay? So you just need to swipe left and you will see this pencil icon appears, right? So swipe all the way left and you're able to edit the name. As you can see right here, I am able to change the code name. Okay, can even remove this entirely if you want. I'll just put legend, okay, and then it will be saved as Instagram legend, right? And it can even change this one from KuCoin to crypto, for example. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple.